In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Telegram error that says, "Please check your internet connection and try again." This message usually pops up when Telegram can't connect to its servers, even if the rest of your apps seem to be working fine. The good news is, in most cases, it's caused by a simple issue on your device or network that you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step, and you can try them in order until Telegram starts working again. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Open a browser on the same device and try loading a couple of different websites. If they're slow or not loading at all, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. Sometimes just changing the type of connection forces Telegram to reconnect properly. Next, fully close the Telegram app and reopen it. On most phones, that means opening your recent apps view and swiping Telegram away so it's not running in the background, then tapping the icon to launch it again. This clears small glitches that can keep the app stuck offline. If that doesn't help, restart your phone or tablet. A quick reboot refreshes your network settings and can clear temporary conflicts that stop apps from reaching the internet. After restarting, check if you're using any VPNs, proxy settings, ad blockers, or firewall apps. These tools can accidentally block Telegram. Turn them off temporarily and then open Telegram again. If it suddenly connects, you'll know one of those services was causing the issue, and you can either adjust its settings or leave it off while using Telegram. You should also make sure Telegram itself is up to date. Go to your App Store, search for Telegram, and if you see an update button, install the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes have bugs or compatibility issues with newer system updates. On Android, you can also clear Telegram's cache. Go to your device settings, open the Apps section, find Telegram, and choose the option to clear cache, not data. This removes temporary files without deleting your chats. If none of these steps work, try connecting to a completely different network, like a friend's Wi-Fi or a public hotspot, just to test. If Telegram works there, the problem is likely with your home or work network settings, and you may need to contact your internet provider or network admin. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, that "please check your internet connection and try again" error should be gone, letting you get back to using Telegram normally.